Another area that seemed to have been fairly well settled was free speech by students. Landmark case, 1969, the Supreme Court upheld the First Amendment rights of public school students to wear black armbands, in this case to protest the war in Vietnam. The court found that young people have First Amendment rights, noting, quote, "It can hardly be argued that either students or teachers shed their constitutional rights to freedom of speech or expression at the schoolhouse gate." Historic decision. Short of a substantial disruption in that school, the students could always express themselves. So this question: should public schools be allowed to discipline students who use their own personal computers at home to post content that school officials are offended by? School officials argue that though the comments are posted off campus, their impact reaches inside the school and are disruptive. This year, 57%, down 5 points from last year, say that school officials should not have the power to punish students for off-campus postings. Now that question remains unsettled in the federal courts, with the Third Circuit finding for the First Amendment rights of middle school students and a high school student, and the Fourth Circuit ruling against a student who posted on MySpace that another student was a slut with herpes. I think there's something about that language that turned this decision in the direction it ended up in. And in any way, we've got in any case, we have split decisions in the federal courts, and the Supreme Court in January declined to hear any of these cases. So these cases will keep coming.